welcome to my skirt. I'm going to do some science. Hey! And I have these gumballs. See?
They're Skittles.
Yes, Skittles. But they're like candy.
Mm-hmm.
Because my sister always have candy Skittles. So, I mean, me and Candy have Skittles, actually.
All right, what else you have?
And here's glasses. You could put on glasses so you could see.
Oh, wow. Mm-hmm.
And then we put on this because I have a boat on it.
And then you have your little dish.
And then you put it in there and put water in here.
Yep.
So
all right. So what do we have to do first? We have to put on our lab coat and stuff, right?
We have to do this and this and this.
All right. So let's get dressed.
I have my light come on. Now let's put on my glasses. Perfect.
All right. So we have everything that we need.
Now we need to put it in.
Yep. So open that up. So we're going to use...
And then we have to put water in it.
Yes. Mm-hmm. All right. So what you're going to do is hit about 10 Skittles. Let's count 10 Skittles out the bag first, okay?
Okay.
All right. Go ahead and count to 10 so we can put them in our disc.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Good job. So we have 12 Skittles. Okay. So we'll work with the 12, okay?
They're match shaped, so
I see. You matched them all together.
yeah, because I don't want them to get mixed.
Side by side. Going around the disc, okay?
They're like good. Like good. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3.
Good job.
1, 2, 3.
Yep, so put the Skittles right over here.
Maybe we should count it.
Because we're going to need some more. Yep.
1, 2, 3.
Yep, let's fill up all our empty spots. You see all the empty spots? Go ahead and fill them up.
6.
I think we get one
7.
more. Put it over there.
8.
All right, take that one out in the middle. All right, good job. Put them all against the wall. Put them all against, nice and even. All right, so we got them all in there, right?
Yep.
All right, good job. Can you tell me the colors that's in here?
There's orange, 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 and another orange, and another orange. Brown, 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 another brown, and red, green, 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 blue, yellow.
Good job, Mimir. All right, so the next part is we have to get the water, right?
Yeah.
All right.
Ooh, blue cup.
It is a blue cup. So now you're going to pour the water inside the middle part with your cup. So we're going to do room temperature water. So start pouring in the middle. Yep, keep going.
This is a lot.
Yep, you just keep pouring. Keep pouring. All right, that's enough.
Oh, they're floating.
Look.
They're not like that. What's the They're calling color change.
Yeah, that's what it's supposed to do. So you see the colors changing?
Yeah.
What color are you seeing first?
What?
Red.
They're not being moving by themselves. I see green and blue.
You do?
They're pretty.
All right, so we'll give it a few moments so we can see all the colors. What happened after a few seconds? You see all those colors in there?
Yeah, there's rainbows.
It is like a rainbow color.
There, I see purple.
Wow.
Purple. There's purple, red, green.
Well, that was a cool little science project we just did. Wasn't it? That was fun.
Let's look at it.
Look at it some more.
I can't see the bottom. I can't see the bottom.
Can't see the bottom.
Yeah.
All right. Well, that was cool. That was just to show us like how you can get a rainbow wheel basically with Skittles and water.
I can't see the way.
Cool.
Bye guys. Comment down below, subscribe to the channel. Make sure to hit the bell button. Bye.